Why do our knuckles crack? My friend cracks his knuckles all the time, and I am always scared. I've always wondered why it makes that sound. That cracking sound isn't your bones grinding together. Inside your joints, you have synovial fluid, which acts as a lubricant. This fluid contains gases like oxygen and nitrogen. When you stretch or bend your joint, you're expanding the space, causing these gases to form bubbles. The popping sound is those bubbles bursting. It's a completely harmless process, so don't worry about getting arthritis from it. Just don't do it too often.